Uh, Today's class is we're going to continue chapter 5 of our lessons about materials, okay? In fact, I have your book here, okay? So I hope you do also bring your book. You can have the references here from the same book that we are using at classroom, but this time I make a PowerPoint of it. You can download it after the discussion. So our topic for today, grade 3 students, is about what are the uses of materials. We know their properties. We know about materials. We know how to differentiate about the characteristics. Now we're going to dig into deeper about their different uses. Why is it that each materials has its own compatible uses? Okay. Imagine, what do you think will happen if we use frying pan made of wood? Have we ever think about it? Okay. Or if we cross a bridge made of plastic? I know it's kind of weird, right? Just only what if, right? You see, if objects are not made of suitable materials, they might not work properly. It could even be dangerous to use them. So that's why each materials has its own uses according to how we can utilize about them. Right? Okay. Now, knowing the properties of material can also help us to choose suitable materials for making objects. True. Right? So, let's do number 1. What are some uses of metal? Okay, there are a lot of uses of metal. Metal are strong. Most of the types of metal are found naturally in rocks, and metal has many uses. Okay, one of the uses you can think, this is my example. Okay, used to make vehicles. The only suitable for vehicles materials that we can use for vehicles are metals. Have you ever seen a vehicle that is made of plastic? Of course. Vehicles should be strong, right? Should be made of metal so it can run and it will not destroy while running. Okay. Another one is it can also be used to make silverwares at home. Even at your kitchen right now, you can see spoon that is made of metal and silver spoons. You don't need to get it. Okay. I'm just only citing some examples. Okay. And how about you? Can you name any objects that is made of metal? Very good, that's right. Okay. Now, how about what are the uses of rubber? We have a lot of rubber. We used to play rubber bands, right? Not to flick people, of course, but useful things that we can use out of it. One is we can use it to make tires. That's our tires from our cars. It's made of rubber. Because imagine if your tires is made of plastic, how can your car move using plastic? I can imagine a car made of tire made of plastics, right? How about can be used to make hoses? Okay, the one that you use for call it tubes. Yeah, right. And also elastic band. I don't know if you have one at home. Okay. Now, how about the use of ceramic? Okay, ceramics are actually these are type of materials that can easily broken, but they are strong as well with the glass. One of their uses is we can use them to make bathroom tiles. If you haven't gone visiting your bathroom, you can visit it and try to look, this is how tiles look like. Okay, we can also use to make plates. Some of the plates, like Chinese ceramic plates, they are made of ceramics, or they are made of glass, not really glass, but clay ceramics. Okay, can also use to make building materials, like call them decorations. Yeah, we can also use that. There are a lot. Okay, there are plenty of things that we can use all these materials. Now, what about the uses of glass? Okay, I know there are plenty. What about the uses of plastics? There are lots of plenty. What about the uses of fabric? Okay, through this, I will leave to you all the set of examples. Okay, I want you to name some of those uses of the 3 remaining properties or materials to answer it in your worksheet. So I know you have a very quick, this was really quick, but I know you learned something out of it. If you want to know the reference of the book that I use, I use the same book that you're using from the People's Book that you're using right now at home.